Good morning, Coco's Language Club. How can I help?
Morning, this is Louis Smith. May I speak to Coco, please?
One moment, please. Coco! Coco! Sorry, Mrs. Smith. Coco is not here at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Sure. Could you ask her to call me back as soon as possible?
Of course. Does she have your number?
Yeah, I think she has it. Thank you.
No worries. Have a great day. Bye.
Great, thank you. Same to you.
Hey, Coco, how are you?
Oh, hey, Jojo. I'm pretty good. What about you? Is everything okay?
I'm good. I just wanted to tell you that Mr. Smith called earlier and asked you to call him back.
Okie dokie. Thank you, Jojo.
Cheers, bye.
Coco's Language Club. Have you ever felt nervous about making a phone call in English? Well, you are not alone. Making phone calls in a language which is not your native language can seem quite scary because on a phone call, you don't have facial expressions and the aid of gestures help you to convey your emotion and tones. But it is not always difficult if you practice more. There are many different phrases and sentences you can use to help you overcome your nervousness and become more confident in handling phone calls in English. Let's have a look together. The first thing of making a phone call or answering the phone call is greeting. For example, hi, hello. Greet the caller by name if you know them. For example, I can say, hey Jojo, how are you doing? Or hi Jojo, how are you? Or hey Jojo, what's up? Which is very informal. You can also start with good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you are calling. After the greeting, you can introduce yourself, like, this is Coco, it's Coco, or Coco speaking. If you were answering the phone, you can ask, could I ask who's calling, please? Or, may I know who is calling, please? But if you are making the phone call, after you got greetings out the way, you should make it clear why you are calling. First one, I'm calling with regards to. For example, I'm calling with regard to the room for rent. Second one, I'm calling about. For example, you can say, I'm calling about the laptop I purchased. The third one, I was wondering if it would be possible to. For example, you can say, I was wondering if it would be possible to extend our lesson to an hour and a half. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And if you like, please give me a thumbs up at any point during this video. And please leave your comments with a hello and tell us where you are watching this video from. I love to see how global our community is. See you next time.